Because we're looking at, more wet weather tonight, even into tomorrow as well. Not quite as heavy as the rain we're seeing today, though. Let's give you a live look outside right now. It is fairly cloudy here in the valley. Right now in Sacramento, though, not quite seeing the rain showers, but there is another band of rain moving in from the west, so we'll likely see a bit more rain coverage over the next hour. Giving you some totals right now. Let's see if we can pull up some of the numbers. Temperature-wise, it's been fairly mild. 53 right now in Sacramento, 56 in Stockton and Modesto, 52 in Marysville, and temperatures again will remain in the 50s as we head into the evening tonight. So very, very quiet, but it is a first alert action day. It's going to extend through the evening tonight, so thunderstorms will continue. It's going to be spotty and isolated, but again, when these thunderstorms develop, they will produce some very strong winds, some very heavy rain, and even some hail as well. Localized street flooding is expected throughout the evening tonight, and more heavy Sierra snow up in the mountains. Again, when it is all said and done by Monday, we'll add another 3 to 6 feet of snow. So our current satellite and radar tracker takes a look at the storm system, and again, it's impacted the entire state of California today, with the heaviest rain though falling right here in Northern California. Right now we're seeing some spots of moderate to even heavy thunderstorms just offshore. It is slowly moving off towards the east. Looks like Stockton right now may be dealing with some light to moderate rainfall at the moment, although it is dry just over Modesto. You're going to see some of that pushing in from San Jose into your area. And then here in Sacramento, we saw that live shot. A little quiet right now, but just looking off towards the west, all of that thunderstorm activity, even some rain is going to be moving over us. So it's going to be another wet night tonight. If you had any outdoor plans, just plan for the wet weather. And then the heaviest rain right now and thunderstorm activity is just over Ione and Jackson. They're dealing with a lot of that thunderstorm and flooding at the moment. So if you are in the flood warning area, just heed the warnings. And then as far as the snow goes, yeah, look at that. It's been coming down pretty hard all day long along 50 and 80, and it's going to continue in the overnight hours with that winter storm warning. Now the wind speeds, again, current wind speeds, these are sustained numbers pushing in from the south at 14 miles per hour, 17 out in San Francisco. We have seen some stronger winds throughout the morning, even gusting up to 50, 55 miles per hour. But right now, the wind gusts, the strongest, are being felt in Truckee at 26 miles per hour, 13 in Grass Valley, and 29 for San Francisco. But again, when these thunderstorms come and happen, they're going to be pushing some winds very, very strong. So we're still not in the clear just yet, with winds possibly up to 40, even 45 miles per hour when these thunderstorm cells come through. Looking at our futurecast as we head into the evening tonight, we'll fast forward another hour and then notice just the spotty rain showers here in the valley, more snow up in the high country. We'll get a little bit of a break early in the morning. This is around 2 o'clock. And so we'll finally get some relief, but by Sunday morning, we'll see pockets of rain as well. Won't be quite as widespread or as heavy as what we saw today, but we'll still see the unsettled weather lingering throughout the day. And then by tomorrow night, we'll start to see another system pushing in to the area. It's going to bring us some rain showers, especially for areas to the south. And then by Monday, we're going to start to see things finally clearing out. And like I mentioned earlier, Tuesday is going to be the day where we finally get some sunshine, but we'll likely see some fog sticking around the area. So your 7-day forecast, again, stormy weather tonight into Monday, Tuesday, and finally on Thursday, we'll get some clearing with all these storms, but Wednesday may bring us another weak system that will likely push us into the area of getting some rain and some snow. But your valley forecast again for tomorrow, shower activity in the morning, and then once again by the evening and afternoon. Monday, we'll see some rain likely for much of the day. Clearing skies though, okay, that should be on Monday, you know what I mean. And then Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, look at that, finally getting some sunshine, but a weaker system will once again pass through on Wednesday. But overall, we're finally at least seeing a nice little break heading into this upcoming week. Marley?
Yeah, that'll get us through the next few days when we just keep getting pounded with rain. Yeah. All right, thank you, Jordan.